So hello guys, welcome to my channel Find Lens. Today I bring a very hot topic regarding Royal Enfield Meteor. So I guess you already know about the Meteor recall by the Royal Enfield. So some of the Meteor during some time period they recall the models and then they will check and they will repair the ignition coil. So that is the scenario actually. So in this video I want to cover what exactly they are doing, what is the service cost of repairing the coils, and you need to go to Royal Enfield service center or not to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. And before starting it, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also please stay home, stay safe. So let's start. In the current scenario, Royal Enfield Meteor is very hot topic. The owner of Royal Enfield Meteor already received one mail regarding the recall. The time period of the recall is December 2020 to April 2021. In this time period, if you buy the Royal Enfield Meteor, please go and check the mail. Definitely they share something with you guys. For my case, I received this mail. You can see in the screen right now, and also I call in the toll-free number. In the call, they told me like there is a problem in the ignition coil, that HP ignition coil, and in the coil, that coil maybe have some short circuit there. So that's why we need to change the coil before it is too late. So this is the proactive measurement from the company. So definitely you should call the service center if you won't receive any call from your nearest service center right now. So there is a toll-free number. I also provide this toll-free number in the description box. Also in the screen you can see the toll-free number right now. So you can call the toll-free number, then Royal Enfield customer care executive will attend your call and they will elaborate the exact scenario. So for me, I called and they elaborate the thing, and then I receive a call back from my service center. So actually it took around a day to visit in my home. So I used on the wheel of Royal Enfield service. So that's why they visit in my home. So definitely you can ask for that when your service center guy call you. And the service was very good, very prominent. They checked with the multimeter of my bike's ignition coil and they find out there is no issue in my bike. So that's very good actually. So in this scenario I am very happy, and they told me like this is fine, you just need to provide me the details of your bike, and I hand over my service book. Along with that I need to sign that my bike was perfect. There is a job card they asked to sign you. And if you want to know what is the cost included to the entire service, so that was zero guys. So definitely guys, you need to call the toll-free number for further assistance from Royal Enfield, and they won't charge anything to change or to repair your particular ignition coil related issue. So in this case, some of the person whoever like who asking, or in this kind of scenario, some like enthusiast who wants to buy Royal Enfield Meteor, they are actually worried. So definitely guys, you don't need to do that. You don't need to worry before buying this motorcycle. So please buy if you want to, and else you can skip it. If you don't like Royal Enfield, then definitely you can skip it. But who is like feeling bad for proactive company initiative recall, then I have a message for them. Like this is company initiative recall, so this is based on the investigation and the issues they are facing daily basis in the services. So definitely this kind of scenarios already happened with the other bikes, but that thing actually it's not in the in the scene right now, so that's why we don't know, or we don't have a idea on that. You can search in the Google, you will find many this kind of scenario. And also, if you want to buy this motorcycle, definitely you will place the order today. So the time period was December to April. So definitely that new bike will not meet the time period. So please check with your service center, or if you have any query, then you can definitely call to Royal Enfield toll-free number that already flashing in the screen. You can see, and also you can check in the description box for the number for further details. That's all, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep watching. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.